Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to fix screen freeze problem in your Motorola smartphone, how you can fix this. So friends, if you are having this stuck screen problem, if you're just using your smartphone and it's stuck the screen and you can't able to touch the screen and nothing happens. So friends, sometimes it's having, so if sometimes your mobile phone is working or your screen is working, first you have to go to the settings. If not working, you have to go to the service center or any nearby shop for the fixing. You can't be able to do that. So if you can, just go to the settings and then you have to first clear all the storage, unwanted things, files, photos, images, videos, everything. Secondly, you can just do it, you have to open your applications. Here it is, the apps. Just tap on here, click on see all apps and reset app preference. From here you will not lose any app data by clicking on here. By doing that, it will fix it. Or you can do a software update. If you are having any software update, you can just tap on the settings, update your system. And first you have to charge your smartphone properly. Just charge it 80 to 90% and restart your smartphone. It will be fixed. And just uninstall the heavy task games. If you are playing games in ultra graphics or high resolution, it will also heat your smartphone. So avoid these things and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.